Is that a fish? Something splashed in the water. I think that's a fish. That's so cool. Konnichiwa! Nasa labas kami. Naghahanap kami ng breakfast. Well, hindi naghahanap. Alam na namin kung saan kami pupunta. A Happy Pancake yung name ng lugar. Walking distance lang siya from our hotel. 15 minutes. And halfway, nakita namin tong bridge. Ang ganda. Tamo. This is the Obashi Bridge. Tapos may mga ganito. Flowers which are so cool. And ito, ang cute. Look. I think these are light posts. Tumatawid kami ng river. Diba ang ganda? And malapit na rin naman kami dun sa A Happy Place. So, we'll keep walking. Ang ganda rin pala dito sa Osaka. Ang dami nilang mga old buildings and mga gantong bridge. Hindi ko alam yung tawag dito. Basta mga may old designs. This is the Oibashi or Obashi? Oibashi Kitazumi. Nasa ano pala kami? Nakalimutan ko. Anong area? Umeda. Nasa Umeda area kami. Kaya mas tahimik dito. Namo. Fall pa dito.
Tonight this year.
Yeah. Yung trees nila may ano pa, may leaves pa. Yung gantong trees namin kalbo na. Because it's not as cold. So matagal pa siya. Matagal, I don't know. Basta meron pa silang leaves. Ang ganda. Sa amin lahat kalbo na eh. Kasi ang lamig eh. Dito hindi kasing lamig sa amin. Yung pupuntahan namin is A Happy Pancake, A Happy House, A Happy Pancake. Siyempre, marami siyang pancakes. And super fun kami ng pancakes, di ba? Malapit na siya. Tapos, after nun, pupunta kami sa Osaka Castle. And then after nun, pupunta kami sa... I forget the name of that place we're going to after Osaka Castle.
Retro Street or something.
Parang Retro Street. Tapos meron dong ano, kainan din. And then, I don't know. Wala kaming definite na plan. May mga gusto lang kaming puntahan. Kuromon doon. Kuromon. Okay, so after,
Yeah, I don't know where you
yeah, when we get hungry, we'll go to Kuromon something.
girls bar.
Ito na, A Happy Pancake, Sweets Terrace. It's still closed. 11, so it doesn't open at 11. See, they have this. Kaso, ang sabi, 11 yung bukas, pero sarado pa rin. Also 12.
Yeah.
We can look for...
Well, no, those are the bake times. I don't know what it means. Oh, yeah, maybe only up to 12.
We can look for somewhere else. I'm quite hungry. Ayun, napansin namin. Sa second floor pa pala siya. So, aakyat kami. Buti na lang napansin namin, Animat, na may tao sa second floor tsaka third floor. Yung third floor parang gym. Tapos, may bumukas na pinto. Sige. Dito kami pinaupo sa window. Ang ganda. This is the view. So pretty.
can order a coffee with it.
Oh, okay. This is pancake with pistachio ice cream and I don't know how to read that. Framboise? What's that? That's us. Yan ang order ni Matt. Yan ang Christmas pancake.
Does it come with? Pistachio ice cream. Okay.
Yeah, and then para sa akin, I will have ito. Kita Shinchi Limited. Yung rice flour rich caramel pancake pero walang raisins. Ayoko din sana ng coffee beans. Pero kakainin naman ni Matt yan. Ito pa yung ibang pancakes nila.
I'm gonna take this off.
Marami pa sa menu kaso you need to scan.
I'm gonna take this off.
Dumating na yung food ko. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan. But yeah, I have the caramel sauce. Parang sarap ng caramel sauce. And ito, I don't know what that is. Ito. Praline butter. Yeah, praline butter. Tapos may almonds. Tapos coffee yan. Kaya rin naman. Kala ko coffee beans talaga. Ground naman pala. Tapos aalisin ko lang yung raisins. I don't like that. I think this is hazelnut. Tinatouch ko. Ako naman kakain yan. Bumababa na yung pancake. Ang tagal nung kay Matt eh. Dumating na yung kay Matt. Ito yung Christmas pancake. Ang cute. May panote. May card. So, merong pistachio nuts. May strawberry. And I don't know, what's the ice cream?
Pistachio.
Pistachio ice cream. Tapos may strawberry sauce. Ayoko ng berries, so deads. Gusto ko ng pistachio. Yeah, please. Thank you.
Spoons here as well. Have a spoon?
Later. So I'm ready to eat. Caramel. Oh, yum. Galante sila sa sauce, ha? Oh, look at that. Merry Christmas. Sarap. Update. Hindi masarap yung pancake. Pancakes weren't good.
We've done meaning.
Hindi masarap. Ang daming tao. Feeling ko masarap dyan.
Ooh, that nice croissant.
Tapos na kaming kumain. And again, we're so busog. Pupunta na kami ng Osaka Castle. Nag-book na kami ng ticket through Klook. 1,200 yung entrance. Tapos from here, lakad kami papuntang train station. Mag-train. And then, yun na, Osaka Castle. Malapit lang naman siya from here. Ang cute. Nasa underground kami, papuntang subway. Yan, ang ganda ng decorations nila. Oh, may pa cake. And this one. Says, attention, refrain from going on the stage or taking pictures on the stage for your safety. Cute. Ganda.
Seems to be.
What's this?
Oh, you can 300 yen. He'll take you to the castle.
Okay.
Front of the line.
1 day ticket. 300 yen. Oh, 1 week? 300.
Going to the castle, go around.
I will just walk. Thank you. If you don't want to walk, you can take that. 1 way 300.
Could have got a discount. Could have got a discount.
What?
She's moving up.
She looks like it. I
She
wasn't
sounds like
sure. Yeah. What? What did you do?
My legs are used to taking these steps, so I took a bigger step in my body.
Why
Hang on,
did you
man.
do that?
Because I
We're
used to-
not made for
Yeah,
it.
I used to be able to do it. Now I can't.
So cute. May dala silang laruan.
These are some fat pigeons.
Well fed.
Yeah.
Littering ban.
Compare that to these ones in South Africa. Those are
So beautiful. Doon ang grounds ng castle. Labas pa to. Imagine how can you attack the castle with that.
well, that's why they built it, I guess.
Look, this one is a public radio receiver. Diyan sila magagather para makarinig ng balita.
That's
Huh.
cool.
Yeah. Ito sinasabi ni Matt, matatabang kalapati. Fat pigeons.
They look healthy.
Very well fed.
Yeah.
Are they training these soldiers? Ayun ang entrance sa castle. Okay. Punta tayo doon. Ang ingay naman ng uwak. Nasaan siya? Somewhere sa trees. Just in case you're thinking it, bawal ang drone. And ito, Kyoto Figure Museum. Miraiza Osaka-jo. Saan siya? Bukas na daw. 3,000. Ang mahal naman. Volunteer guide will guide you in this park. In a green vest. Ah, my free guide. They have a free guide. If we see someone wearing a green vest. Ito na ang entrance. This is a volunteer entrance sa castle.
Okay, watch out there. Don't be honest.
What's that? It's the maingay na hindi siya bus eh. Ano siya? Nasa loob na tayo.
Go next phone call.
May phone booth sa labas ng castle. Pagod na ako. I'm tired already. Parang kita mo na ba yung castle sa malayo? Tayo sa I don't know what this is. Miraiza
it's a
Grand.
plaza. Shops, and cafes and restaurants.
Oh, next to the castle?
Oh, yeah. Got to
Okay,
service the
castle.
tourists.
Maliit lang siya. It's small. I thought it will be bigger. Much bigger than this.
That's what she said.
There's someone up there.
Yeah, that's where we're going.
Huh?
That's where we're going.
Ayan na siya.
We have tickets.
We do have tickets. Mag-skip na kami ng line. See, doon pagbibili ka ng ticket. Dito, kapag may ticket ka na. Sabi, papakita mo na lang yung QR code. Kung may dala kayong luggage, pwedeng iwan. 100 yen. Nasa 8th floor na kami. Ito ang observation deck. And you'll see the city from here. I don't know if you can see. Then, may train. Tapos dito, may boat. Nakapagod. Nag-stairs kami from the 1st floor to the 8th floor. Pinagpawisan ako kasi umakyat kami ng stairs from 1st to 8th. Ito yung view. And see. Can you see? Pwede kang mag-elevator, pero yung elevator hanggang 5th floor lang. Tapos hindi pwedeng mag-picture or video sa loob. Dito pwede kasi yung labas lang naman yung pipicture mo. Ito na yung labas. Ganda. And we are out. There's the castle. Nakapagod akyatin. 8 floors. Ang init. Ayun yung castle. Ang sakit sa mata ng aswan. Help me.
I thought you were going to be here for a while. I was just going to sit
No,
down
the
for a
sun
bit.
is in my eyes. Ayun yung castle. Can you see? Here. Pahinga lang daw muna kami. Bago maglakad papunta ng... maglalakad ba? I think magte-train papuntang Kuruman Market or somewhere sa Kuruman Market sa Electric Street. Nipponbashi yata yun. Basta dun. How many steps na?
More than 5.
Kasi nakakailang steps na kami. Oh! Almost 9,000 steps.
Good.
What?
That.
That's so weirdo.
Yeah, but what's it doing on your phone?
May weirdo sa aking phone. Kaya pala pagod na ako. Nakapagod umakyat. Yung pababa okay lang. Pero yung paakyat ang sakit sa tukod. Signs of aging. Daming Pilipino dito. Kamayang kabi-kabila naririnig mo may nagtatagalog. Tapos hindi wala akong maririnig ng tatagalog maski isa. Maganda naman ang Osaka Castle. First time lang namin makakita ng castle eh. At makapasok ng castle. Gusto sana namin sa Himeji Castle. Sabi kasi nung mga kasama namin sa work. Mas maganda daw yung Himeji Castle. Kaso ang layo ng Himeji Castle. Ito na lang muna. Siguro kung babalik kami dito. Now we'll go to Himeji Castle. Ito ang Plaza Square. Harap ng castle. Culture and character shop. There's One Piece. You want to go inside to have a look? Not really. You wanna go inside?
Sure.
Nandito na kami sa Nipponbashi Town. It's the electric town. So parang version daw to ng Akihabara sa Tokyo. So if you're a fan of anime, manga, games, dito maraming pagpipilian, maraming magbibili like that. Sobrang dami. Ang overwhelming. Maghahanap na lang kami ng kakainan. So, we're walking papuntang Dotonbori. BB gun shooting. There's a gun shooting on the 3rd floor.
Yeah, BB guns.
Yeah. If you want. Not today. Let's go tawid. Why? They love toys and costume. Tahimik na dito. Ganda naman ng citadines. Ano kaya to? Astro Zombies. Astro Zombies of Rocking Toyland. Oh! T-shirts and
Okay.
more toys.
We have it?
You want to?
I'm okay.
Not particularly. More gachapon. Gachapon, gachapon. Hindi na pala kami pupuntang Dotonbori. Bukas na lang. Nakita namin ang Kuromon. Kuromon Market. Ay, maraming food dito. You want the burger off the wall? Here we go. Wala masyadong tao. Okay. You want some oysters? Let's go
So
there.
then you come back or you stay there?
There's not much here.
I know, that's what I thought. Then you want to start here. It's not that far to
Yeah.
walk.
Balik tayo. Ang cute nito. Ang ganda. Ice cream on half melon. Ooh! But I'm hungry. No photo.
photo.
Okay, no photo. Oh. What fruit is that? Or is that a tomato?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it's a fruit. Oh, tomato is a fruit. I thought it's a different fruit. Ooh, takoyaki. What you want to eat?
从来没有过，我带我女儿。
Okonomiyaki? Okonomiyaki. What you want to eat?
Do you want to eat now or do you want to go and see what else is around there?
Let's go walk and then decide. They have
生虾饼。
okay, Wagyu.
That,
Wagyu plus poke.
yeah, that looks quite interesting.
Yeah.
It's
Look at the opposite of down.
Oh, I didn't hear you. That's an octopus. Another toy store and food store. Oh, more beef, babe.
Mm-hmm.
Melon pan. Wagyu burger. Wagyu barbecue. More seafood. Grilled king crab. How cute. More places here. More seafood. So pretty. Ito na pili
Can we
namin.
order drinks from you as well or from someone?
Ito na. Seafood wala.
Do you need cash?
Kay Matt. Ganito. Oh, hindi pala. Ito. Okay na miyaki, including noodles. So here's our food. My seafood, okonomiyaki, and okonomiyaki with noodles or
Yeah.
something. Yeah. We'll see kung masarap. Ang sarap! Ang sarap-sarap! Wala pa ako sa kalahati pero busog na ako. Ang sarap niya. May, ano no, bacon ba to? May bacon there. Kasama, bacon o meat lang. Pero meron siyang ito scallops. Tapos may maliit na shrimp. May malaking shrimp. Naubos ko na yata yung squid. Ang sarap. Tapos gusto ko pang mag-take out. Para kakain namin mamaya. Gusto ko to. Nasa likod to. Gusto ko ng takoyaki. Tapos may nakita ako banda roon. May nakita ako banda roon. Malaking mushroom. Tapos binalot siya ng bacon. Ah! Madilim na. Sobrang busog na busog ako. Yung plano sana namin na magte-take away, hindi na namin ginawa. Kasi again, busog na naman kami sa kinain namin. Pabalik na kami ng hotel. Dumaan lang kami sa Family Mart para bumili ng something na pwedeng kainin pagkagising bukas. Kasi usually, nagbe-breakfast kami 11 na. Gutom na kami that time. Para hindi kami magmamadali sa umaga.
Your bed, maybe a bathroom break, maybe a bucket of stuff.
Ah, yeah. Magbabath kami mamaya. Yung public bath. Pero papahinga lang muna sa kwarto. Ang tahimik dito sa area na to. Lapit na kami. Ayun na. Malapit lang pala sa amin talaga tong Vietnamese restaurant nito. Pupunta na kaming bath. Sana walang ibang tao. Si Matt. Bakit madilim? Pero ang liit sa kanya nung uniform. Basta yung damit na pang bath. Sa akin malaki. Sa kanya sobrang liit. This is the bath. Hindi pwedeng mag-video and picture sa loob. Yung for men. This is for women.